So, hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain to you one of the example of influence line. So, in problem 624, the beam is used to support a dead load of 400 pounds per feet, a live load of 2 kilopound per feet, and a concentrated live load of 8 kilopound. So, here's the figure. So, assume that the A is a roller, B is pinned, and C is fixed. So, ang mga hinahanap natin dito is tatlo, which is the maximum positive vertical reaction at A. B is the maximum positive shear just to the right of the support at A. And C is the maximum negative moment at C. So, let's start looking for the number 1, the A, the maximum positive vertical reaction at A. So, A. So, referring to the influence line for the vertical reaction at A. So, the maximum positive reaction is, so kung yung ano ba yung figure natin? So, yung mukha ng figure natin is ganito. 'Di ba? Dito is fixed yung C, while yung B is spin, and the A is a roller. So, according to the influence line, pin can't move up but can rotate. So, ito yung pin natin. So, yung hahanapin natin is the maximum positive vertical reaction at A. So, dito tayo. So, sa the rule ng influence line, either aakyat siya or bababa ng 1. So, since positive ang hinahanap natin, aakyat siya ng 1. So, rule ng end of the segment is free. If free yung end ng segment natin, it can move up or down. So, since may 1 na dito, mag-up tayo ng 2. Bababa. So, ano yung rule ng pin natin? Pin can't move up but can rotate. So, either yung pin natin is ganito, bababa, aakyat, ganyan, basta magro-rotate. So, since dito, nag-end, so kailangan mag-rotate yung B natin dito. So, ganyan yung mukha ng influence line natin in terms of the positive reaction at A. So, 10 feet, 10 feet, 15 feet. So, hanapin natin, ano ba yung given na binigay sa atin kanina? Given is dead load na mayroong 400 pounds per feet, live load na 2 kilopounds per feet, and a concentrated live load na 8 kilopound. So, paano ba natin mahanap yung reaction natin? Focus tayo sa influence line na nakuha natin. So, the positive or the maximum positive reaction at A, vertical, is A, max positive, is equal to, given natin, 2. Dito muna tayo mag-focus. So, 2, yung concentrated load natin na 8, plus, sa triangle, 1/2, base, anong base natin? 20. So, base times, anong height natin? 2. times yung live load natin. Live load na 2 plus, since it is pounds per feet, kailangan natin hanapin is kilopounds. So, multiply lang natin yung 400 para maging kilopound. So, 0.4 times or close parenthesis is equal to, ano yung sagot natin? So, let's calculate. So, 2 times 8 plus 1/2 base times height times yung live load plus dead load is equal to 64. So, ang sagot natin dito is 64 kilopound. So, yan na yung sagot natin sa vertical reaction at A. So, yes. Next is